If I say you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I saw you an angel, would you treat me like a devil tonight? If I was dying of tears, would you flowing love come quench me? If I said you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Now we could talk all night about the weather. Could you tell me about my friends out on the coast? I could ask a lot of every question, or ask you know what I really wanna know. So if I say you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I saw you an angel, would you treat me like a devil tonight? If I was dying of tears, would you flowing love come quench me? If I say you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Now the wind can blow so soft against the window, the sun can shine so bright up in the sky, but Daddy always say don't make this small talk. He came and say what on your mind. So if I say you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I saw you an angel, would you treat me like a devil tonight? If I was dying of tears, would you flowing love come quench me? If I say you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? So if I say you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I saw you an angel, would you treat me like a devil tonight? If I was dying of tears, would you flowing love come quench me? If I say you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I say you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Yan po.
Ayos! Galing mga idol, yan ang tunay nating idol.
But you gotta go, me o maayo. Gotta go food the pills down the bayou. My bone the sweetest one, me o maayo. Sa Labagana, a big pan on the bayou. Cyber mountain, breeze bassy. Into coming to see Bombay the Dassy. Crystal style, we go hard white me, my yo. Sound of a gun will have big fun on the bayou. Jungle eye through the spine, be the gamble. Hope tonight I'm gonna see my share of me. Down
Kaibigan. Ang galing talaga. Ang galing. Sobrang galing. Hindi ko naman yung boses niya eh. Thank you so much for watching guys. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa jambalaya ng aking tatay. Cover songs. And please don't forget to subscribe at share ang itong video natin nito. Salamat!